Tony, another 3 crucial points for Haverfordwest in the race at the top of the Cymru Premier and a 14th clean sheet, all things going well.
Yeah, I've got to give the boys credit. We weren't at our best tonight. We know that. We can play a lot better than we did, but it shows how far the boys have come in terms of keeping another clean sheet. I think that's 3 against Met this year. We know we're a fantastic team. I've been for a number of years, but we ground out the result. Got a good, Forsey's goal's fantastic. He's come off the bench. Disappointed not to start as other people, but he's done fantastic then, and it's a great finish to beat Kelland, who's a very good goalkeeper. But yeah, 14 clean sheets in 26 games is fantastic, and like I said, maybe last year and the year before, that wouldn't have been a game that we've come away with 3 points.
Ryan, ydy ddim I fod I Met Caerdydd heno ac yn y diwedd yr adar-gleision yn heiddiannol o'r trifwynt?
Ie, fi credu dros y gêm, os chi'n edrych ar y cyfleoedd nhw oedd wedi cael y cyfleoedd gorau. Oedd y gêm gorfforol, oedd yn tyn iawn, o'n i'n teimlo am rhan fwy o'r gêm. Ond fi credu oedd ambell i moment lle oedd bach fwy o quality dyn nhw, a dyna sydd i ennill y gêm iddyn nhw heddi.
Ben Fawcett, another important 3 points for the Bluebirds and a second half substitution, but you are the hero tonight.
I wouldn't call myself a hero. The boys are outstanding again, another clean sheet. So, I mean, that's my job, isn't it, to stick it in the back of the net. So, Dylan Rees, great header, give me the chance, and thankfully I put it away from all the hard work of the boys.
I was quite surprised to see you on the bench tonight. Was that a difficult conversation with Tony Pennock?
Yes, it's never nice being dropped, but especially when you scored a goal last week, and I thought I had a really good game, to be honest. So I was a bit disappointed, but I mean, you got to shrug it off sometimes and do your job, and thankfully I came on and done that. So.
But Haverfordwest now, it's only 3 points between yourselves and Penybont in the race for an European place, perhaps. What's the feeling in the dressing room?
Yeah, I mean, I think we were about 10, 11 points behind at one point, so to take it back to 3 just shows the character of the boys, character of the whole squad really. And yeah, we just got to keep adding points, whether it's a draw, whether it's a win, just keep adding them points on the board, and hopefully it goes our way.